Okay, in this video, I will be talking about recursion in Python. So recursion is when a function calls itself repeatedly until some stop condition. So as an example, let's create a function called countdown. So maybe I want to count down a number without using a for loop. So I'm going to say countdown. I'm going to pass in a variable n for the number. And inside, every time it gets called, I'm going to print out the number n. And I'm going to put a if equals 0, so this will be the stop condition. So when it reaches 0, I want to say done, and I will return, which will exit the function here. And at the end of my print, I want to do a countdown n minus 1. Okay, so each time my countdown passes in the number, it's going to decrement by 1 and then print that number. So I'm going to call countdown and pass in 10, for example. So if I run this, you see that it prints out the numbers, okay? And I could put a breakpoint here, for example, if I run and start debugging. So if I do that, I can step through this. So if I step in, you see right now n equals 10, and then if I step over, n is not 0 yet, it's gonna go a countdown. If I step into it, it's gonna go back to the countdown function, but now it decrements by 1. Step over, and then I step in. You see it goes down to 8. So this whole process repeats until n is 0, and then that's when it gets to done, and it finishes recursion calls of the function. Okay, so that's how you do recursion in Python, and I'll see you in the next one.